Hello guys, welcome back to the Obscure channel. In today's video, we'll talk about my car. I sneeze.
I'm finna wait to see who gonna say blessing.
Give myself 1,000 plus aura points.
Cool.
Peelers.
All peelers because they look similar to peelers, although they're not peelers, but they remind me of peelers.
Look at wide hips.
Wide hips. I know y'all like that.
And talk about pee-pee holes.
Nice little pee-pee holes. I like that too. You know, little fist in action.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Hey. Welcome back, people. Welcome back to the next video on the Obscure channel. Today we're doing the 1 year review on the Golf R and how it's been to me and if you should get one. Because I mean, take the hood off of this, you should get one. I mean, honestly speaking, it's a Volkswagen Audi product. Manual, all-wheel drive. It's a great car, but you know, you go Volkswagen Audi, you're always gonna have to worry about stuff, mainly oil and coolant. This motor here, and this is of course the EA113 2.0 turbo. If you guys don't know, of course you do if probably watching this channel, or unless you're new. So stock from factory, they come with what, like 270 horsepower around about. This one is actually on the Stage 2 tune from Dt.Performance, so full bolt-ons, full exhaust, full actual 3-inch APR short shifter, IE cold air intake on this, and actually that's about it. I didn't really do much to this car. But now, of course, we're making 330, 340 horsepower, like around that area. It is still stock KO4, which is actually what comes on this car. Basically, the turbo itself, you got KO3, KO4, KO3 is on GTI, KO4 is on this one. And fun fact I actually didn't know when I first got this car was that this come with the A113 and the Mark 6 GTI this year, so 2012, around that area of GTI, doesn't have the same motor. It has a first gen EA888, which I didn't know, but hopefully you know now too, because a lot of you, there's kind of some misconception. I've been in Volkswagen Audi for a long time. I did not know at all. So, you're getting an R. What does that R mean? You're gonna get the BILSTIEN. I'm pretty sure from factory to BILSTIEN V8 struts. I know it's BILSTIEN, but I'm pretty sure they're V8 struts from factory. Of course, you're gonna have the all-wheel drive. You're gonna have the 6-speed. You're gonna have the different motor. You're gonna have the KO4, the bigger turbo, as well. GTI has the KO3. Gonna get the heated seats. You're gonna get the leather flat bottom R wheel, blue dials, navigation. You're gonna get the Dyna audio system. They get a 600-volt system. Speakers, of course, front, back seat, sub. Speakers sound amazing on this car. You are going to freaking love them, because I love them. How can I forget? You're gonna have the bigger calipers in the front. They're gonna be just vented rotors in the front. Bigger caliper, I'm pretty sure they're 4-putt, 6-putt, somewhere around there. And then also gonna have these beautiful 18s, which I'm just gonna call peelers because they look similar to peelers, although they're not peelers, but they remind me of peelers, so they're cool. So now it's time to get to the nitty-gritty maintenance. Honestly, people say a whole lot about this car. You know, of course, oil leaks, Volkswagen. Coolant leak, Volkswagen. But with this motor that they put in the Golf R, like, honestly, there's not much that's going to go wrong that wouldn't really go wrong on a regular normal car. The only thing I love about it is that these have timing belt and not timing chain. So belt, I mean, pretty easy to do. It's right on the side of the motor. Only that, you can do water pump at the same time. You have to do, of course, do the valve cleaning, oil for the housing if that cracks. Valve cover gasket, which is normal coil packs. You're not really worrying about those spark plugs. Of course, you have to be replacing them a little more than often. And the camshaft follower, other than that, you're not really gonna run into much as long as yours was taken care of. This one was actually really taken care of before I got it. Of course, you see the little crackings. Those are actually not paint cracking. That's the clear bra that's all over the car. Clear bra front, clear bra grill, clear bra headlights, clear bra mirrors, clear bra front clip, clear bra hood, clear bra tailgate lid, the clear frost kick panels, it was taking, you know, he took care of the car. Not only that, when I first got it, it came with one oil leak. It was literally just the oil for the housing, so it's not even like it was something crazy. Did oil for the housing, which I did do, had shop do that I go to for the Audi Volkswagen shop that I go to. I did the valve cover gasket, of course. I mean, simple, pretty, 2.5, easy to change the spark plugs, coil back when I got the car. Other than that, it's been pretty good. Things you have to watch out for: oil leaks. I mean, honestly, when it comes down to it, the only thing you have to worry about is oil leaks. The thing is, you take care of an oil leak quick, you don't have coolant leaks. You leak oil gets on coolant pipe hoses, and then coolant pipe hoses start to leak. Which is why if you catch it early, replace it, do whatever you gotta do to fix the oil leak, honestly, you're not really gonna have a problem with it. Which, you know, of course, you gotta keep upkeep of the car. You're gonna pay attention to this car, and honestly, you're gonna be fine. Going wood, I haven't had much go wrong. Only thing I have to do, honestly, I'm around 140 right now. Not sure the time belt's ever been done, so that's one of the things for this summer. Once I do get the Audi A6 back from the shop, I'm gonna be putting this one into the shop to do the timing belt, water pump, get it ready and set for the summer. Then I'm gonna be doing brakes, things of that sort, etc., etc., etc. New tires, bracings. This car's going far. But I mean, yeah, the 113, at least the one they put in the Golf R. I mean, some 113s, wow, okay, I don't know what accent that was. Some 113s are pretty mean, but this one is actually pretty good. I mean, you know, it's just really not much that could go wrong with the car. Same thing with every car. I mean, you know, I was told on the internet, like, this motor is not the best and it's gonna leak a lot and it's gonna be problems. I haven't had no major problems with it, and honestly, it's been really reliable daily. While it was a daily, which is now it's not gonna be a daily anymore, but it's been pretty freaking good, honestly. Don't believe everything you see on the internet. A lot of Volkswagen Audi products actually are pretty reliable. I've had 3 now. Only thing you gotta really worry about are oil leaks. If you don't worry about oil leaks, then don't get one. But you're gonna have an oil leak, 100%. It's going to happen. Should you get one? I would say definitely yes. It is so worth it. The car is so fun to drive. The all-wheel drive system is freaking beautiful. You guys can see it driving in other videos. Just me ramping on the mountains. You should definitely check out last video. Last video was a very, very nice P+B drive. It's been really good. And it handles really good. And tuning market for this is like wide freaking open. I was on UNITRONIC when I first got the car, and it changed it like immensely. Like, I definitely suggest, if you do get this car, definitely go UNITRONIC Stage 1. Just Stage 1 in general, whatever company you may choose, i.e. APR, whatever the case may be. I chose UNITRONIC because I don't know, it just spoke to me more.
I'm finna wait to see who's gonna say blessings.
But I mean, yeah, honestly, it's been a beast. A couple of things, of course: tailgate latch, hood latch. You're gonna have to worry about it. It's going to happen. Your tailgate latch is somehow not gonna be able to close one day. Same thing with the hood. I just replaced my hood latch, my tailgate latch 2 videos ago. Hood latch is well, started acting fucky today, so we gotta go ahead and do that now. Annoying, but if you do run into that, some WD-40, a little pick in there, ping, 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 good to go. So honestly, to wrap it all up, long story short, you're gonna be looking for oil leak, which is most likely gonna be an oil for the housing. Make sure the time belt is done, because like anything over 100K, honestly, time belt should be done. Water pump, definitely gotta make sure it's done. And intake valve cleaning, please make sure that is done also. Other than that, low control arm, ball joints, of course, definitely worry about those. You guys can check them pretty quick from right onto the front wheel. But other than that, I mean, there's not really much to look out for with these cars. I haven't checked inside on mine. The only code that's ever been in there was small evap leak detected since I had this car. Literally 1 year, and that's all it's been. So she's a tank. She's definitely a tank, and she takes beating all the time because I use my car. I definitely do use it, as you guys will see in previous videos. But I don't know. Let's just, you know, sit and admire. You know, come on. Fat booty, you know, some wide hips. I know y'all like that. You know, nice little pee-pee holes. I like that too. You know, little fist in action. Yeah. Honestly, that will be the end of the. Oh my gosh, I love that angle. This angle of the car is so good. We're gonna be ending the video for today. I just wanted to take a little walk around, just have a nice little talk, because of course what I like to do, and just show y'all the condition of the R since I had it for a freaking year, and she's been nice to me, and I've been nice to her. She's been getting everything she wants to see that cool and is full and clean. Oil leak is just oil for the housing, which I just found out today after doing an oil change. Yes, again, after changing it 1 year, it lasted 1 year. Maybe it was me, I don't know. Maybe it was where I got it from. I kind of got the cheapest one on FCP Euro because I just got the car. But this time I'm going to go OEM, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. And next video, well, actually, yes, I do know what we're doing next video. It's going to be a whole lot of more content coming. We're going to be getting lit. Definitely got a couple car meets coming up. There's also a cruise that's coming up for Scripted Club of New Jersey. Oh, I cannot freaking wait. That's going to be a very nice video because I'm going to be cruising with a whole lot of cars. It's going to be a nice, cool, nice, chill meet. Hopefully I can get invited, please. Yeah, man. I guess I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Remember, everyone stay safe. Bye-bye.